Hey guys, welcome to Car Fix School. Ever had your car shake and stumble at a red light like it's about to stall? That's your engine telling you something's wrong, usually a problem with the air-fuel mixture. Your engine needs the right balance of air and fuel, and when there's a leak, that balance is thrown off. One of the most common causes? A bad intake manifold gasket. This gasket seals the intake manifold to the engine, but over time it can crack and let in extra air. The result? Rough idle, shaking, and the fear your car might stall in traffic. The good news? You can fix this yourself with basic tools. Today, I'll show you how to diagnose and repair this issue. Understanding the problem is half the battle. Let's pop the hood and get started. Next, we'll look at the symptoms that confirm a vacuum leak is your culprit. Before grabbing any tools, let's diagnose. A vacuum leak from a bad intake manifold gasket usually causes a rough, unstable idle, especially at stoplights. Watch for a bouncing RPM needle, engine stalling, or a check engine light with codes like P171 or P174. You might also notice poor fuel economy, loss of power, or a hissing sound from the engine bay. Combine these clues, and you've got a strong case for a vacuum leak. Now, let's pinpoint exactly where that leak is. Here's a simple way to find the leak, the soapy water trick. Mix water and dish soap in a spray bottle. With the engine idling, spray the soapy water along the seam where the intake manifold meets the engine. Watch for bubbles or a change in engine idle. Both are signs of a leak. If the idle smooths out or you see bubbles, you've found your culprit. This method is cheap, safe, and gives you a confident diagnosis. Always be careful around moving engine parts. Once you've found the leak, you're ready for the fix. Let's talk about why this happens so often in modern cars. Next up, why plastic manifolds are part of the problem. Modern engines often use plastic intake manifolds instead of metal. This switch helps reduce weight, improve fuel efficiency, and lower manufacturing costs. But there's a trade-off. Plastic expands and contracts much more than metal during heat cycles, putting extra stress on the intake manifold gasket. Over time, this can make the gasket brittle and prone to leaks. Common symptoms include rough idle, stumbling at red lights, and even a check engine light. To help prevent leaks, always use high-quality replacement gaskets, torque bolts evenly, and avoid over-tightening. It's a common wear item, not your fault, just part of modern car design. Replacement gaskets are often improved, so your fix should last longer than the original. Understanding this helps you tackle the repair with confidence. Now let's get hands-on and replace that gasket. Time for the repair. First, disconnect the battery for safety. Remove anything blocking the intake manifold, engine cover, air intake, sensors. Label connectors as you go. Take photos for reference. Disconnect vacuum lines and electrical connectors from the manifold. Loosen the manifold bolts in the correct sequence. Check your manual. Carefully lift off the manifold and immediately cover the intake ports with clean rags. Remove the old gasket and inspect it for cracks or flattening. Clean both sealing surfaces thoroughly. Install the new gasket, making sure it's positioned correctly. Reinstall the manifold, remove rags, and hand-tighten bolts. Torque bolts to spec, reconnect everything, and reinstall the battery. Double-check your work. Now, let's see how your engine runs. Moment of truth. Start the engine. The idle should be smooth and steady, with no more shaking or stalling. If you had a check engine light, it may clear after a few drives or with a scanner. Take a test drive and enjoy the improved performance and fuel economy. Fixing this early prevents bigger engine problems down the road. You just saved money and learned a valuable skill. That's the power of DIY car repair. Thanks for watching. See you next time.